Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will break down the structure of a standard aluminum EPS mold to better showcase to you guys. The standard EPS mold mainly consists of the following parts: mold frame, mold cavities. Mold frame 1, mold frame equals steam chamber. 2, front plate equals moving mold plate. 3, back plate equals fixed mold plate equals EPS filling gun plate. 4, female mold cavities, plate. 5, male mold cavities, plate. 6, steam connection port. 7, cooling water connection port. 8, drain port. 9, EPS filling gun. 10, EPS ejector. Mold cavities. 1, male mold cavity. 2, female mold cavity. Based on the customer's 3D foam product drawings and machine brand and model, as a professional EPS mold manufacturer, we can provide 3D EPS mold drawings for customer confirmation all size before production and manufacturing. This ensures our molds are 100% compatible with the customer's existing EPS shape molding machines. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.